Good day, welcome to Sertica training video. Today I will teach you how to make the noon report on Sertica. First you have to go to this section of Sertica, this section on the left side. Then you have to search for the form section. This is the form section, and under the form section you have to double click the form. Okay, because you want to make the new noon report for today, you have to click on the new button. After that, you have to search for the code. The code for the noon report is G029. Okay. And if after that, if you want to fill up the form, you have to click on the save button first. Click save. And Sertica will ask you to, do you want to open the forms? You have to say yes, because you want to open the form template. Okay, this is the form template, and the one with the orange highlighted color, it means it is a mandatory thing to be filled. Because if you don't fill this mandatory thing, you cannot request for approval on the forms. Okay, so we have to test it first, because this is a mandatory. Because the onboard is mandatory. After that, you have to go to the second section of the forms. You have to click next. Okay. Mandatory. This is mandatory. And then you have to request for approval. Okay, that's it. As easy as that. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you can understand it well. Thank you.